Hey, good morning all. It's been a while, 3 or 4 weeks since I made a video. Wanted to make a short little video, kind of show you what I've been doing. Since it's got cold up here in North Missouri, really can't take the boat out, do any videos on boating, so I'm going to try to build a boat trailer, a small boat trailer for my little 14-foot V-bottom boat. And I got plans from a company called Marine out in California on a small flat cat boat that I'd like to build, and I'll show you pictures of that. But I also gathered up all the steel and all the parts that I had to build a boat trailer, and I think I have enough, and I'm going to show you that build step by step, how I measure each one, how I cut each one, how I weld it all up. And I don't know if I'm doing it right or not, but it's the way I'm doing it, and I'm going to take you step by step through it and see how it turns out. But I'm going to take a video of a couple things I've been doing this last week. We had two gigantic trees in the front yard that we had to cut down because they was rotting. The woodpeckers got into it and just tore it up. So we had to cut those down, and I've been cleaning up this mess, and I've also got a little mess over here, and I'll show you that, and we'll go from there, see what happens. This is the massive tree that we cut down, two of them. And I got to clean all that up. That little side yard over here, man, it was just filled with limbs. I got that yesterday. This tree here that was cut down fell right in the driveway, and so I had to cut everything in the driveway up so we could get in and out. And then this mess over here is all the limbs. So I got to clean all that up today. But I wanted to get started on a trailer too. Got the pontoon up there, stowed away. I also wanted to tell you guys, I've been working on this, on getting a bigger boat to do the loop next year. And I'll know something later, like tomorrow or the next day, about how that's turning out. The people who has the boat is kind of difficult to work with. But we're going to see what happens, see if we can't get that boat. If not, I'm going to take the shanty boat, the Lojo shanty boat, and modify it. I think I've got an idea in my head that'll keep all the water from the inside of the boat. I'm going to build a smaller structure on it. I didn't need all that room. And we're going to hit it again next summer. See how far we can get down the river. All right, guys, stay with me, and I'll just kind of show you what I'm doing around here today. Hey guys, wanted to show you everything that I've gotten rounded up. I got a 3,500 pound axle. It's about 5 feet long. A couple of tires, some steel that I've had laying around. Got a light kit, a hanger kit, some fenders here, and a jack, and we're going to see what kind of a trailer we can build. Stay with me. This is kind of what I had in mind for a boat trailer. From the back of it, back there, to the front is about 18 feet right there. What I'm wondering, and I might take it out to 20, but what I'm wondering is, if I do that, where should I put my axle? Should I split the difference? These are 8 feet long and it's 5 feet wide. Do I just put it at 4 feet in the middle, or do I go up with it just a little bit? Let me know what you guys think. But like I said, I'll go over all the measurements with you. Damn, I almost tripped over the axle. I'll go over all the measurements with you and let you know what each piece is. But where should I put my axle? Now remember, I want to put a little 14-foot V-bottom boat on it, or a 14 to a 16-foot flat-bottom boat. And then I have a flat cat that I'd like to build, and maybe even a small pontoon boat. So remember that. Let me know what you guys think about where I should put the axle. This is the flat cat I was telling you about right here. It's called the Scooter. I got the plans and designs from Glenn. And yeah, I think I'm going to make this, but I'm going to modify it a little bit. But I wanted to show you those plans. Hey, just wanted to finish up this video and let you know, stay tuned if you would like to see me build this trailer, give you the measurements on it in detail, weld it all up, get it together, get a boat on it. Please stay tuned then. If you'd like to see me start working on this boat, stay tuned for that. And please like, share, subscribe. But give me a comment on where I should put that axle. If I should center it within the 8 foot, or set it up a little bit or back a little bit. What do y'all think? Appreciate you guys. We'll get another video out as soon as we can, and we'll talk to you then. Hey, have a great Christmas and a Happy New Year. And we'll get one back on here after the first of the year.